Welcome back to my kitchen for another week of What's for Dinner. So today I'm going to do things a little bit differently. We're going to have a barbecue for Memorial Day, but we're going to split it with our neighbors, if that makes any sense. So I'm in charge of salads, so what I'm going to do is a watermelon feta cheese salad and a pasta salad. So I'm going to start that right now. I might make some coffee. What time is it? 5:20? Whatever. I'm going to drink some iced coffee because I'm addicted. And I'll fall asleep later anyway because coffee time. So I'm going to make iced coffee and then I'm going to get started making these two salads. Let's get going. For the watermelon salad, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, watermelon, English cucumber, mint leaves, basil leaves, and half a cup of crumbled feta cheese.
Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't have a plan and the night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like you. Look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high, ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down, ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high, ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself and you make me smile, I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to our favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye, something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like, so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high, ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down, ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high, ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you, ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you, ain't nobody like you, ain't nobody like you. Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high, ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down, ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high, ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody.
For the pasta salad, we're going to need carrots, red pepper, red onion, mozzarella, broccoli, olives, red wine vinegar, and olive oil.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
So for this copycat Taco Bell cheesy gordita crunch, we're gonna need taco cheese, a taco kit, sour cream, hot sauce, ground beef, soft tortilla shells, and a ranch seasoning packet.
I went by your house, what a big mistake. But for a while I thought that I wouldn't break. I need something else to clear my head, someone to tell me how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to save. Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like a fake. Take control of your own life. Without any thought, I keep moving on. I don't even care if my soul is gone. So many words that I should have said. Not concerned about how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to save. Take control of your own life. Right now.
For this recipe, we're gonna need 2 pounds of chuck roast, half a cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of water, 1/2 cup of dark brown sugar, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 4 green onions, and you're gonna cook this in your crock pot for 8 hours on high.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
So it's been about 8 hours. And now I'm going to take the beef out. I'm going to shred it. I'm going to put it in this right here. And then I'm going to take the sauce and I'm going to thicken it up. So let me get started here.
And I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise.